I am not a baker, but people who bake and roll out dough like making their own pizza might be interested in this. And maybe they already know about it, but anyways, for those who may not know about it, I'm showing it here. This is a professional chef rolling dough. I've always thought if I want to roll dough, I buy a rolling pin, a wooden rolling pin. Okay? That makes sense to me. That's what I see all the time. But this chef here is using a large wine bottle to roll out the dough. Ingenious. Saves money. You're going to drink the wine anyway. You're going to throw the bottle out. No, keep the bottle for rolling out the dough. Just remove the paper label so paper doesn't get stuck to the dough. But great idea and costs nothing.